Hi, today's video is going to be the first part of something. I'm going to be introducing a product, and obviously you can see my skin in its present condition right now. 3 months later, once I've used that product, I'm going to be reviewing it and showing you any improvements or changes in my skin at that time. So the product in question is the Nira Skin Laser Skin Renewing and Wrinkle Reduction Device. This is a PR sample sent to me for review. So what it does is it provides professional grade wrinkle reduction, pain-free at home. So I have some experience with laser device. I've done IPL for hair removal. I first used to go to a salon and then I stopped. I bought my own device, which is the Philips Lumia Precision Plus, which can actually be used on deeper skin tones as well. It's worked a treat. I no longer have to shave my legs maybe once a month or so. That's it. There's only peach fuzz. The other experience that I have with laser is that I have undergone fractional laser for acne scar revision. I've had 3 sessions so far. Unfortunately, I've had to halt that from March 18th, I think, or 23rd was my last session, because I've had my allergies. I'm allergic to wheat. I've had a lot of exposure to wheat in April and May. So 10 doses of hydrocortisone injection and lots of antihistamines. My face has erupted in acne. My skin is very sensitive. I have acute urticaria every darn morning. So my derm has said no laser, no fractional acne scar revision procedure for 4 to 5 months. So that's halted. No tretinoin usage either on the skin. So my skin's a mess, you know that if you've seen this video here. So this one, I have taken it to my dermatologist and he said you can try using it on your, where you don't have active acne, on your, wrinkles or fine lines or even acne scars, because the mechanism for acne scar revision or for scar treatment is pretty much the same as for wrinkle revision. The basic problem is that collagen is lost in the skin, whether it is an acne scar or a wrinkle, and that is that damaged part. So this device promises to stimulate collagen production. So basically, wrinkle improvement, acne scar improvement, they should be the same thing. So if there's something that improves wrinkles, it is also supposed to improve acne scars, because what the purpose of acne scar revision is the same thing for wrinkle reduction. It is to stimulate collagen production within the skin. So more about this device, just going to introduce it to you. This the brand is entirely US made, assembled and made in the United States. It is founded by David Bean, whose company makes laser diodes for the medical profession. Right, so what this product does is that it gently heats the cells in the dermis, right? That is 100 to 500 microns deep. So it heats that skin, the cells in the dermis, using laser light. So because of the heat, there is some stress for those cells. Because of the stress, they release proteins that signal, the necessity for rebuilding, that signal rebuilding. And, thereby collagen production is stimulated. So the heat is raised within 0.1 second to below 45 degrees Celsius, because, the damage threshold is about 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. This is below that. This is gentle enough to be used every day, and the treatment, you are supposed to use it every day. So in the case of fractional lasers, the wavelength is 1440, that is 1440 to 1500 nanometers. In the case of the Nira skincare device, the diodes are tuned at 1450 nanometers. So because this is very gentle, there will be no pain or erythema or redness. And while it drives the heat into the skin, it is meant to keep the heat below the pain threshold, at the same time above the threshold that is required to make the skin rejuvenate itself. So obviously this is not fractional laser. It can be used at home. And the difference is that fractional laser has a lot of downtime. I generally find that I cannot apply makeup or my regular skincare for about 10 days after fractional laser. It takes about 10 days for the whole process of healing and for the scabs to form and fall off. Scabs, I know. With this device, no scabs, no downtime required. You can get on with it with your life the very next minute. The other thing is that because this isn't too invasive, too intrusive, this is not going to increase photosensitivity of the skin. With fractional laser, I'm supposed to stay out of the sun strictly for a week and then wear, you know, very high coverage sun protection and reapply it through the day after that. So that problem is not there with this. Now the device is marketed towards the under eye area for treating the under eye area. However, it can be used everywhere, which is great news because the maximum intensity of my acne scarring is here, not even on this side, it's here. So this is where I will be concentrating my testing of this device, and thankfully I don't have active acne here yet. So let's hope that doesn't change. So let's very quickly unpack the device. Now they've also sent, along with this, a hyaluronic acid serum. This is 50 mils. And this actually contains exactly 4 ingredients: water, sodium hyaluronate, phenoxyethanol, and ethyl glycerin. Don't believe me? Here you are. Exactly 4 ingredients and nothing else. So that's something that I like, and I love hyaluronic acid. So this treatment needs to be done on clean, dry skin, not, you know, after applying anything, after a gel or something like that. No need of a conductor or anything. That's the external box, and inside you have the instruction manual and the device itself, and a USB charger and an adapter. So let's take a look at the device. So this is it, very handy. That's how it's supposed to work. So there are 5 heat settings, and you can choose whichever is very comfortable for you. And once the device sort of locks on the area and you trigger the laser, I'm not going to use it right now because, you know, I'm wearing makeup and I don't want to waste it. So once the device sort of locks on the area and you trigger the laser, there's a pulse that you hear, which means that it has, you know, the laser has worked properly. And once, you know, you're supposed to move it to the next part of the skin, you'll hear another beep. And once you've done 40 pulses like that, 40 pulses is the full course of treatment for the under eye area, you'll hear a tone, according to the literature. So I will be showing that to you in my review video. This is only an introductory post because, you know, I wanted to tell you what was changing in my routine and what I'm going to try now. So this one has been tried at the clinical level, and 3 medical professionals have reviewed the data and rated this device results on a 9-point scale, and have found that 61% users saw full wrinkle scale unit improvement within 3 months, and 68% users maintained wrinkle improvement for at least 3 months after stopping using the device. That is very, very, very heartening. Another feature is that when they're doing laser at my dermatologist, they have to, you know, close my eyes up and all that. With this device, there's no need for that. I've hit a couple of pulses last night just to see how it was, and you know, there was no light flashing or anything at all. So I'm quite happy with that. And also I worked at the level 4, heat level of 4, and it didn't really hurt. There was this feeling, that's it. It wasn't even as painful as the Philips Lumia IPL, actually. I was very disappointed when my dermatologist said that we would have to stop acne scar removal procedures right now because I'm dreadfully allergic and I have urticaria every morning, severe itching. So the presence of this home device means that I can continue scar revision at a much, you know, milder level, but that's all right. I can do the treatments, you know, more frequently, every day actually, instead of, you know, once every 6 weeks. And there will be no downtime with this device either. So I'm not going to stop the scar revision, and hopefully there will be changes and the pits on my face will become shallower 3 months later. We'll see all of that in my actual review, which should, let's call this June 1st, July 1st, August 1st, September 1st. Around the first week of September or so, we should be able to have a clearer picture. In summer 2019, they will also be launching a mobile app that you can use alongside the device to track your progress, to schedule your treatment, for reminders and things like that. So what excited me the most and why I agreed to test out the device were these clips. So these clips have me so excited about this device. If that is actually going to happen, I will be the happiest person on earth. And the best part is that the price of the device is actually a fraction of, what I pay for all these laser sessions at my dermatologist. So you can see that there is a massive difference there. So as I told you, the mechanism of acne scar revision is pretty much the same as wrinkle reduction. Basically in both you stimulate collagen production. So that there are such good results with this in 90 days or, 120 days or whatever, means that, I can continue with scar revision and, work on, reducing the pitted acne scars on my face, even when I'm not undergoing laser at my dermatologist, because I've had to stop it owing to allergic reaction. So these are massive results, and they're very, very, very exciting, very heartening actually to see. And I'm actually hopeful that my pitted acne scars will definitely show improvement with regular use of this device. We'll see, fingers crossed, eh? So that's the device. This is just an introduction. So I will be starting treatment from tonight. Although I will be using this on the under eye area as well, I don't actually have much of a problem with my under eyes. Unders eye, crinkle my eyes beyond all acceptable limits. Yeah. But I do have, as you've seen, huge acne scars here. I have taken before photographs without makeup. I don't want to, scare the stuffings out of you lot, particularly because I have active acne here right now. So this is the area where I will be concentrating. Then I have some acne scars here, hidden by my fringe. I have some here. So I will be using this device on those areas as well. And hopefully we'll see improvement. I will be showing you before and after clips, as well as really close-ups when we do the review in September, maybe even October, because it says 12 weeks. Stay tuned for that, and hopefully, fingers crossed, do wish me luck. Hopefully we will see some answers to acne scarring, and if there are results, then this is a great choice. Even if you have under eye lines, or this can be used around the mouth as well. As I said, although it is marketed for treating the under eye area, the literature says it can be used anywhere on the face. It can be used on any fine lines and or wrinkles. And this is also marketed for around the mouth as well. So hopefully all that will work. We'll see. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.